Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your Mercedes GLS 450. First, let's prioritize safety. Always gather essential gear such as gloves and eye protection. Make sure both vehicles are completely turned off before you begin. Park the assisting vehicle very close, ensuring the jump cables can reach comfortably. Finally, locate the specific jump-start terminals under the hood of your GLS 450. Now, let's connect the cables correctly. First, attach one end of the red positive cable to the positive terminal on your GLS 450's dead battery. Then, connect the other end of the red cable to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's good battery. Next, connect the black negative cable to the negative terminal of the good battery. Finally, attach the other end of the black cable to a clean, unpainted metal ground point on your GLS 450, away from the battery. With the cables connected, it's time to start your vehicle. Begin by starting the engine of the assisting vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes. This allows the good battery to transfer some charge. After this waiting period, attempt to start your Mercedes GLS 450. If it doesn't start immediately, wait a few more minutes and try again. Once your GLS 450 starts, let it run for at least 20 minutes to recharge its battery. Now, let's safely disconnect the jump-start cables in the correct order. First, remove the black negative cable from the metal ground point on your GLS 450. Next, disconnect the black negative cable from the assisting vehicle's battery. Then, remove the red positive cable from the assisting vehicle's battery. Finally, disconnect the red positive cable from your GLS 450's positive terminal. Remember to have your battery checked if it frequently needs a jump start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.